Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A former spokesperson for the House of Representatives, Honorable Eseme Eyibo, has called on the leadership of the ruling All Progressives Congress APC to consider Senator Godswill Akpabio for the position of Senate President in the 10th Senate. The call follows an ongoing intense lobbying for the third highest political office in Nigeria, as correspondent Tekena Miofori reports.
The 9th Senate will cease to function in a matter of weeks. Expectedly, the transition period has seen a number of senators elected on the platform of the APC lobbying hard to get principal positions, particularly office of the Senate President in the 10th Senate. The scramble for the office of the Senate President is not without basis. Whoever is elected President of the 10th Senate automatically occupies the third highest political office in Nigeria. Beyond the influence and power attached to the exalted office, it also places a huge responsibility on its occupant to stand in defense of democracy as leader of the first branch of government. At a time Nigerians have been seriously divided by party politics and sectional consciousness, Eseme Eyibo, one-time spokesperson for the House of Representatives, is rooting for Senator Godswill Akpabio, whom he describes as a unifying force that can galvanize all shades of political interests for national cohesion.
Akpabio is a unifier. This is one man who has no pledge or affiliation to any primordial sentiment. He believes in one Nigeria. He acts one Nigeria. He thinks one Nigeria. And if such opportunity is being given to him, trust me, and the people of this Nigeria would benefit from enormous derivatives of governance. They will really see clearly the difference between politics and governance.
Expectations before the 10th Senate are indeed high, and the upper chamber of the National Assembly can live up to its responsibility by enacting laws to drive development at a much faster pace. Honorable Eyibo says Senator Akpabio has the right pedigree to lead the Senate in the next political dispensation.
We are presenting him to the Nigerian Republic for the position of the Senate President, because in the mood and in the lineup, we are yet to see anybody who will be able to take merits or anybody who will be able to suppress merit to enthrone mediocrity. Akpabio is a leader and not a dealer. He is a leader transformational in nature and exceptional in administration and very motivational in his attitude to work.
In the ongoing scramble for the Senate presidency, the leadership of the APC will be instrumental to the emergence of a candidate. Etiofon Udom, an Uyo-based public affairs analyst, reminds the APC that Senator Akpabio, who has sacrificed so much for the party and possesses the right credentials, should be given the opportunity to lead the 10th Senate.
Looking at the vote he turned out from Equal Representation to Siwaju Bola Tinubu, the president-elect, I think he deserves to be the president, the Senate president. And again, looking at his antecedents, looking at his background, his records, you realize that Godswill Akpabio had been a leader and proven to be a leader. He has the sterling quality that determines who a good leader is. Senator
Godswill Akpabio, three-time commissioner and former governor of Akwa Ibom State, is immediate past minister of Niger Delta Affairs. Having served as minority leader in the Senate, his teeming supporters across the country are convinced that he has what it takes to lead the 10th Senate.
Inside the Niger Delta,